Today, we're going to talk about a simple, powerful plan that could change your financial future. This is not about get-rich-quick schemes or unrealistic promises. If you've ever felt like investing is only for the wealthy, this video will prove otherwise. Stay with us until the end, because the numbers we're about to share may completely shift the way you think about money. Let's start with a simple truth. Becoming wealthy is not just about how much you earn, it's about how consistently you invest. The power of compound interest can turn small, regular contributions into massive returns. So how does $100 a week turn into $1 million? Let's break it down. If you invest $100 every week, that's about $400 per month, or $5,200 per year. Now let's assume you're investing in a diversified stock market index fund with an average return of 8% per year. With consistent weekly investments and compounding returns, you could reach $1 million in about 40 years. This strategy lets you retire wealthy, starting with a small, realistic amount. Let's go deeper with the numbers. In 10 years, your $100 per week investment could grow to around $75,000. In 20 years, it might reach around $230,000. And by year 40, assuming consistent returns, you could cross $1 million. This is the power of long-term investing. It's slow, steady, and incredibly effective. Now you might ask, what should I invest in? The simplest and most beginner-friendly option is a low-cost index fund. These funds track the overall market, like the S&P 500, and offer consistent growth over time. They're diversified, low risk compared to individual stocks, and perfect for long-term investors. Once set up, automate your weekly $100 deposits to remove emotion and inconsistency. If you want to go a bit deeper, you can also diversify across asset classes. This means spreading your money across U.S. stocks, international stocks, and even bonds or real estate investment trusts, REITs. This helps balance risk while still aiming for solid long-term returns. What if you don't have $100 per week right now? Start with what you can. Even $25 or $50 per week can grow significantly over time. The key is consistency. As your income grows, increase your weekly contribution. Your future self will thank you. Discipline is more important than the amount. Most millionaires didn't get rich overnight, they got rich by being consistent. They followed a plan, stuck with it, and gave their investments time to grow. The sooner you start, the less money you need to invest over time. By the time you're 65, you could be a millionaire or more, just by following this simple plan. No lottery ticket, no business degree, just patience, commitment, and financial focus. And remember, your lifestyle should not expand faster than your income. Even as you earn more, keep your investment habits steady or increase them gradually. Now, here's the bonus mindset tip that changed everything for me. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, before you buy anything, put your weekly investment into your future. Automate it, lock it in, make it a non-negotiable habit. It's the simplest way to guarantee that you build wealth no matter what happens. This is not magic. This is math. This is not luck. This is a system. And you don't need to be a financial expert to follow it. You just need to start. You don't need a six-figure salary to become a millionaire. You need time, consistency, and a plan. You need to stop thinking short-term and start thinking about your long-term goals. $100 a week may not seem like much today, but it could become everything you need to retire wealthy and live life on your terms. Thank you for watching and taking the first step toward building a better financial future. If this video gave you value or inspired you to take action, make sure to like the video to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss weekly strategies for growing your income, investing wisely, and achieving financial freedom. Your support helps us bring more practical, real-world advice to viewers like you. Start now, stay consistent, and let time do the rest. We believe in you, and we'll be here every step of the way. Let me know if you'd like a version with visuals, voiceover cues, or as a blog article format.